Good evening, everyone. How are you? Well, I'm doing pretty good actually because I just found out that I got approval finally for my total knee replacement on my right knee. It's been a long haul since the initial injury, November 1st, I think it was 2021, until now to get the approval for the knee, but it finally came through. The surgery is scheduled for February 23rd. I'll be out of work, they're saying about 8 weeks after the surgery, which is fine because what that does is it sets us up that I will have a new knee and I'll be feeling wonderful by the time we head west. So I am looking forward to that. Just to let you know, I do still have a lot of videos coming out. I will be doing some videos about my knee replacement and doing some of these little shorts every once in a while. So be on the lookout for those. But keep me in your prayers. February 23rd. God bless.